Namaste India and welcome to In Samachar. As per the current national poll in US, Republican Joe Biden is leading with a good margin in the popular vote. But it is important to remember that in the US, the president is elected by the Electoral College, not by the popular vote. And national polls can only approximate the popular vote. President Trump has always been very unconventional in his approach, and in his case, national poll numbers could be deceptive. There is no doubt that Donald Trump has said many things that would have been political suicide for any other Republican candidate. And almost every time he made one such shocking statement, political analysts on both the left and the right predicted that he would lose supporters. But it has clearly been seen over the past years that President Trump appears to be almost totally bulletproof. Robert, a common American who did a comparative analysis of the 44th and 45th president, said that President Trump has accomplished more positive things for this nation in less than 2 years than the last 3 have accomplished in 20 plus years. He further adds that after the past 8 years of a Muslim Marxist in the White House, this nation could not survive another Democrat in the White House because they have not done anything for the black people in America other than hand out government freebies for their continued votes. Let's just dig into the facts from the past and review why people voted for Trump in 2016. Americans were opposed to 4 more years of what they saw as the progressive politics of Barack Obama, as reflected by Hillary Clinton's swing further to the left in response to Bernie Sanders' primary challenge. The major issues were Trump stood a firm ground and Democrats had no willingness to pay much heed to issues such as weak border enforcement, the unwillingness of Obama administration to call radical Islamic terrorism by its name, objection to President Obama and Justice Department officials putting their fingers on the scales of justice when racial incidents were involved, concern about the IRS discriminating against Tea Party and other conservative groups, even great concern about liberal judges and justice appointment to the federal judiciary, particularly the Supreme Court. There were anxiety about the declining percentage of GNP dedicated to the military and concern about reports of declining military readiness. There was distress about the left-leaning political indoctrination and suppression of free speech running rampant on college campuses and in public schools. On all the above critical issues, President Trump not only stood firm pre-election 2016, but also stayed firm in his actions and words as well during his entire stint. As per news on 31st March 2020 by Paul Stapleton of Hong Kong Free Press, President Trump's job approval rating reached 49%, the highest level since he entered office. His current rating is around 44%, a 5% drop due to COVID crisis and its aftermath. President Trump's approval rating has hovered between 40 to 45% for most of his presidency. Almost half of the American public now approves of his performance. It is not that half of Americans are gullible, but rather that they have a long-standing set of beliefs that are firmly entrenched and remarkably inflexible. And Trump just happens to be the figurehead representing those beliefs. So their support is not so much about his performance as it is about the beliefs he represents, and he doesn't shy away from wearing it on his sleeves. That is all for now. We will see you tomorrow with more updates on this. Keep following In Samachar. Thank you.